How much is this, sir?
I'm very sorry, sir, but I have no idea how much that is. How the fuck do you have no idea how much this is, dumbass? You work here. Okay, you got me, I really do know how much that is, but I simply refuse to tell you because you're playing the Xbox. Why are you playing the Xbox? What is there to gain from playing the Xbox? It's because PlayStation has all the cool anime games and anything that can even be remotely considered mature by people who aren't 5-year-old dumpster babies. Nintendo has all the good, childlike, innocent stuff. Microsoft is the boring ass middle ground. Now get the fuck out of my face. You smell like Doritos and Mountain Dew. Do you forget this is your boss you're talking to? You're fired, fuckface! We're less than a minute in and already you want to cut off my nuts and feed them to your pet piranha.